Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix problem you see unable to install and name of the app, so how you can also fix it and why you can see this error. So first thing, just check your internet connection, so maybe you have problems with it. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use sound data, just open sound data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a few seconds, and just power phone again, so just simply restore phone. And the latest option you can try to up the app. Just try to check if maybe your iOS version is too old. So just check. Maybe you need to update your system. So just go to the settings, just open general, just open software update, and if you see here web update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.